In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to password protect your site on Wix. If you want to share certain pages only with clients, teammates, or event guests, adding a password gate is a quick way to control access without setting up a full membership system. I'll walk you through the exact clicks to secure any page in the Wix editor, along with a few helpful tips so you avoid common pitfalls. First, make sure you're in the Wix editor with your site open. On the left-hand side, look for the Pages icon. It's the panel that lists all the pages on your site. Click it to open your site's page list. This is your control center for managing which pages are visible and how they behave. Next, choose the page you want to protect. You can repeat this process for multiple pages if you need to, but start with one. Click the page name so it's selected. Keep in mind that password protection works best for standard pages you want to keep private, like a portfolio preview, a pricing sheet, or a client portal landing page. With the page highlighted, open its settings. You'll see a settings option associated with the selected page. Click it to bring up the page's configuration panel. This is where you define what visitors can see and who can get in. Inside the page settings, go to the Access section. This is the area that controls visibility and permissions. It's specifically designed to help you decide whether a page is public or restricted. Choose the option labeled Password Holders. Selecting this tells Wix to prompt visitors for a password before they can view the page content. It's a simple gate that keeps casual visitors out while letting you share a single code with the people who need it. Now type the password you want to use. Pick something strong yet shareable, ideally a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols that isn't easy to guess. Avoid personal details or common words. Remember that passwords can be case sensitive, so use a format you can communicate clearly and store it somewhere secure. If the purpose of the protected page changes later, you can come back here and update the password at any time. That's it. Once these settings are in place, your chosen page is set to require a password. When visitors land on it, they'll see a prompt and won't be able to continue without the code. If you need multiple protected pages, repeat the same process for each one. Share the password only with people who should have access and consider updating it periodically for better security.